We got Lexus IS 350. Got some nice tape already laid. I can lift the trunk now. Wrap. Free from the top, jump up on the wrap. Alright. Good to go. We good. We locked and loaded. Separate the wrap. Backing sheet. Magnet. Backing paper. Adjust. I'm gonna have, I like to do my bumpers halfway. I don't like to take off all the paper. Because every time you lift it, higher chances you leave some debris. Got my heater going. I normally like to use that diesel propane heater. It heats it up a little faster. And then what you can do, start from the middle. Give it like a stretch pull like that. And just imagine working the same flow. Like, I want to keep the same stretch. So just stretch it right there. Now I'm going to stretch it right here. This heater really good for like heating the wrap up, especially when you're bending these corners right here. Wrap glove. Then they'll probably could save some more material, like this little top piece, and do the inlay. We'll see. Yep, been in that corner. I don't know if y'all notice it, but the heat gun is not my main weapon. It's in the repertoire. Like that stretch, I'm bringing that material this way. Like some heat. Let them cook. And that heat is so clutch, you just don't know. You just don't know. Think about it, if I had a heat gun and I had to heat it, I had to hold it up, cut it off, drop the heat gun, try to work it until before it cools off, and it's giving a constant. I can take a break and it's still giving off heat. I make the job so easy. Think about, look at the time frame. It ain't been on by about 10 minutes, and I'm already halfway done. with wrapping the back bumper. One of the second hardest parts of a car wrap. And I'm maxing out. If you get some air pockets, just lift up. Flow the wrap out. And flow the air out. Alright, halfway done. I'm gonna get this part right here a little heat. Get that joint a little action. Give me a short about that joint. Okay. Everybody got their own style of doing shit. This is my way of doing it. Ooh, only thing about that heat, I think they just give you cancer, man. That shit be hot. Probably need to cut the material down some. So I can get it under there. I might try to save this piece right here real quick. We're gonna move along. Alright, pick up where I left off with, which is in the middle. Paper up. Put the backing paper off, like so. You don't even got to take it all the way up right now. You can do the middle, and then when you catch up, then take it off. So then you kind of giving it a good stretch, because I don't know, the paper being on the background kind of helps it with the stretching. That makes sense. So you're gonna always check your uppers and your lowers. Make sure you're all the way around. You don't want to be working and then you off track. And this heater working like a charm. It kind of helped me stretch that whole little piece right there. Well, he shrink that whole little piece. Like it's working. And I'm gonna push this air out. Yep, flowing that way with it. Alright. Hey. What y'all doing on this Friday night, man? I mean Saturday night. I watched a couple UFC fights. Watched the Netflix Run the Riser fight. It was something to watch. Fight's always good. Alright. I did the quarter pounder earlier today. Came back, and I got the back bumper. Double back. Alright, now we can move the rest of the backing paper. That's just how I do it. You dig? Alright. Just heating up for me. Just doing all the hard work for me, to be honest. Think, Mark. Alright. Bam. Rear bumper wrap.